Age is just a number, and in track and field, legends like Hansle Parchment are proving it every day. From overcoming career-threatening injuries to becoming an Olympic champion, Parchment's journey is nothing short of inspiring. Now, as he approaches the Masters age of 35, the question on everyone's mind is, can Hansle Parchment shatter Alan Johnson's World Masters record of 12.96 seconds in the 110-meter hurdles? In this video, we dive into Parchment's incredible career, resilience, and why the 2025 season could be his most historic yet. Will he defy age and rewrite the record books? Let's find out. Over the years, the sport has seen athletes go well beyond their peak, which often ranges from their mid-20s to early 30s, and had successful careers. Athletes like Jamaica's Merle Notty, Shelley and Fraser Price, America's Gail Divas, Sandra Glover, and 110-meter hurdles World Masters record holder Alan Johnson competed well at the age of 35 and beyond. The age of 35 in track and field is regarded as the Masters age and has led to the development of the World Masters Track and Field Championships. Track and field are among the few sports that see athletes having careers that go beyond a decade. 2020 Tokyo Olympic 110-meter hurdles champion Jamaica's Hansle Parchment is one of the few athletes who are getting a bit older but seem to be getting better. Hansle Parchment debuted on the global stage for Jamaica at the 2012 London Olympics at the age of 22 by becoming the island's first athlete to earn a 110-meter medal at the Olympics with his bronze medal effort. Throughout his career, Parchment was plagued with injuries that led him to miss major championship medals in 2013, 2016, 2019, and 2022. However, his most successful moment in the sport came at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics when he upset pre-race favorite Grant Holloway of the United States by becoming Jamaica's second 110-meter Olympic gold medal and the nation's third Olympic medal. Things were looking great for Hansle Parchment. But trouble can't follow anywhere, and that's exactly what happened. He went for the 2022 Eugene World Championship but had to withdraw from the final just moments before the race due to injury. But he wasn't one to give up. A year later, he returned to win a World Championship silver medal at the Budapest edition of the meet, as he did the same 8 years prior in Beijing. To end quite a successful season, Hansle Parchment ran a personal best of 12.93 seconds to win the 110 meters at the Diamond League final.
10-meter hurdles. And Holloway quick and over the hurdle, leaving the Olympic champion behind. Daniel Roberts there, but now here comes Parchment. Parchment in the tail end of the race is beating the world champion as he says, see you in Paris.
The 2025 season will see Hansle Parchment turning 35 on June 17th, and it's safe to say that he is approaching the end of a successful career. Despite not having a successful 2024 season by placing 8th in the 110-meter hurdles final at the Paris Olympics, Parchment could return with his previous success. But the question remains, can he break Alan Johnson's 2006 World Masters record of 12.96 seconds? Hansle Parchment is quite a fighter and should not be counted out. The 2025 track and field season is shaping to be one of Hansle Parchment's best seasons once he remains injury-free. Do you think Hansle Parchment will break Alan Johnson's World Masters record? How fast will he run this season? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Check out this video on Hansle Parchment's back-to-back wins at the Paris Olympics. Hansle Parchment's journey proves that resilience and determination defy limits. As he approaches the Masters age, his story inspires us to chase greatness at any stage. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, like, and subscribe to Caribbean Focus. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.